Hi dear students, welcome to my class. Today we'll be discussing about a very important differential operator. That is, if we have y is equal to e raised power x plus 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 e raised power x, so on up to infinity. What is the procedure to find out the derivative of this type of functions or this type of differential coefficient? How we can find out the differential coefficient of such type of functions? It is a bit easy. If you will go through the pattern of this question, we have y is equal to e raised power x plus e raised power x plus e raised power x plus e raised power x, so on up to infinity. And you must be aware about the fact, if we subtract a finite quantity from an infinite quantity, there remains an infinite quantity. That means infinity minus finite is equal to infinite. So let's try to find out the solution of this equation, or you can say the solution of this differential coefficient. How we can find out the differential coefficient of this type of functions is our concern today. So if I take this portion, this is equal to y, and I can write y is equal to e raised power x plus, instead of e raised power x plus e raised power x plus e raised power x, I can write it as x plus y. Is it clear? Now it becomes a very simple question. If I apply log on both sides, let me apply log on both sides. What we get? Log of y is equal to log of e raised power x plus y. On simplification, we can get log of y is equal to log of e, we can write as it is. Now this power can be written as x plus y as a multiplication, because we have log of m power n can be written as n log of m. Okay, is it clear? Okay, log of e is equal to 1. So instead of log e, I can write as 1. This becomes log of y is equal to x plus y into 1. Now it becomes very easy to differentiate. If I further simplify it, I can write it as log of y is equal to x plus y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, log y, instead of log y I can write 1 by y, and dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x is 1, and derivative of y I can write as dy by dx. Now this is 1 by y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1. I take dy by dx, which is common term, I take it out. I can write 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. So finally dy by dx is equal to 1 by y minus 1, which on simplification gives y by 1 minus y. So dy by dx is equal to y by 1 minus y. 1 minus y. This is how we can find out the derivative of such type of functions. I hope you understood all the concept, and that's all for today. We'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye.